Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. This is Christmas card series number 4. Let's jump right into the stamps that I use for my cards today. I use Darcie's Cookie Dough and Mistletoe and Christmas Magic stamp sets. I colored these images in the summer and just stored them in the clear packet with the stamps. I colored them with my Z-Clean Color Wheel brush markers, fussy cut them, and added some Stardust stickers on them. I created these cards using scraps of Christmas pattern papers. I know we have those scraps in our stash, so why not use them? I have some scraps from this Carta 12 by 12 paper pad. I used these pattern papers for my Christmas scrapbook last year, and I have some leftover scraps. So here are my leftover scraps. I'm going to choose the ones that I'm going to use for my cards today. I'm not gonna use the cut aparts this time. I'm gonna save those for something else, but I'm gonna use the pattern papers today. I have my white cardstock to use as my base. That is where I'm going to adhere my pieces together. And after I'm done with the adhering part, I will cut the excess scraps using my trimmer. Here are the backgrounds that I created using my scraps of paper. I think I made 10 pattern paper backgrounds. I will die cut them with Elizabeth Craft Designs, Dashing Rectangle, and Gina Marie Designs Stitch Rectangle die. While die cutting, I also went ahead and die cut my stitch circles and scallop circles. I used 10 cardstock for the circles and gold glitter paper for the scallops. As you can see, I did die cut the insides of the scallops. I will use those circles on another project later. I added a piece of scraps on the back of the circles so when I adhere them on my panels, they're not going to sink. These sentiments are also from the Cardabella Christmas paper pad. These are on the half-inch part of the paper. I cut them and now I'm adding some distress on the edges to match my papers and my pattern papers and my circle die cuts. And now that all the pieces are ready, let's go ahead and adhere everything together. I'm going to embellish my cards with this iridescent sequins, and I'm going to adhere them with tiny glue dots. And lastly, I'm going to use the same image that I used in front of the card, and I'm going to add my another sentiment on the lower part of that image. And here are my mass produced cards. These images are super cute and I really like my pattern paper backgrounds. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.